I'm going to show you how to change your Binance account password. So first you will need to open up the Binance app or sign into your account using a web browser. Now you want to click on the three horizontal lines on the top left, and then you want to click on your profile. Now you want to click on the security button here, and then you should find a password tab. You can click on the password here, and it should take you to the page where you can change your password. You might need to enter your two-factor authentication code if you have it enabled, and then you should be able to specify a new password here and then repeat it again. Now all you need to do is press the confirm button to change the password. And after changing your password, the P2P service and payment services are going to be disabled for 1 day or 24 hours after you change your password, just to protect your account. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.